Okay guys, we're here in Matabungkay, Barangay Matabungkay, Lian, Batangas. We are going to the projects of Santa Lucia. We're going to look the latest updates of the development of the project of Santa Lucia here. The Matabungkay Seaside Residences. From the highway, 500 meters away. So, and then if you want to go to the beach, you're going to the distance is 1 kilometer. Okay, so let us see the latest updates of the Matabungkay Seaside Residences here in Matabungkay, Lian, Batangas. Okay, here we are. So here we are. Okay, this, yeah. Okay, this is the Matabungkay Seaside Residences. Okay, so we are going to look the latest updates, and then okay, yeah, this is the commercial areas. Okay, the available here in Matabungkay Seaside, side by side. This is the main road. So this is 16 hectares. Okay, so want to buy here in the future residential lots. The most of the lot areas are 204 square meter. So and up, and then you're going to build the business here. You can make it for business. So residential and commercial. Okay, so let us see the development of the road tracing here in Matabungkay Seaside Residences. Okay, so let us continue viewing the displays. Merong bakal. Okay, this is a 16 hectares project. 16 hectare project. So ayan. So for the in Philippines, the investors who want to invest in Matabungkay Residences. So this is the road. Okay, you can message me for the implement updates of this project. So you know guys, project is very much near to the Matabungkay, the popular beach in the Philippines, international, the Matabungkay Beach. Okay, so we're going to look the Matabungkay Beach after visiting the this property. Okay. Paglabas mo dun sa kalsada doon, yung bandang kanan, ay hindi, kaliwa, parang maliit lang na lupa, kadugtong dito. Mas nauna yung lalaki, meron. Okay guys, ayun. So let us continue. Okay. So as you can see, the continuous development of this property, the road tracing this property, the Matabungkay Seaside Residences in Barangay Matabungkay, Lian, Batangas. Okay. Tanaw yung South Coast dito eh. Bandang ano. Pinakataas na. Sa Block 15, ayun na. Oh, ayun na. Oh.
Block 15 dito.
Doon sa pinakataas. Ayun oh. Yung pinakataas. Okay, so
Picture na po kayo.
magpicture na kayo. Gusto nyo doon sa bundok. Okay, so